Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Monday, November 29th. Stock futures have given up early gains and are now pointing to a flat open. European markets also got an early boost as details emerged about the $113 billion aid package for Ireland. But those gains were short-lived, as investors now shift their attention to other European countries with debt problems. The Financial Times Deutschland newspaper reported that Eurozone nations are leaning on Portugal to ask for a bailout, to prevent Spain from having to do the same. Spain is Europe's fourth largest economy, so if it needs a bailout, it could stretch the EU to its breaking point. Right now, stocks across Europe are broadly lower, and the Asian markets are mixed.
U.S. investors are likely to focus on the retail sector today. The holiday shopping season officially got underway the day after Thanksgiving, and there are already some positive signs. The National Retail Federation said 212 million shoppers visited stores and websites over the weekend, up from 195 million last year. And the average consumer is spending 6.4% more than a year ago. Meanwhile, Target, Staples, and mall owner Taubman all said they're seeing better traffic and sales trends than in 2009. Citigroup raised its November sales estimates for Target and Macy's on the news and named those two companies its top picks for the holidays. But some observers are finding reasons for concern in the Black Friday numbers. They point out that sales on the biggest shopping day of the year were only 0.3% higher than last year.
Given the mixed results over the weekend, investors will now turn their attention to online sales figures. Today is called Cyber Monday because a lot of people shop online when they get back to the office. Shares of Amazon.com are likely to hit a new all-time high when the market opens, and eBay is trading near its highest level in 2.5 years. Meanwhile, eBay's PayPal unit reported a 25% jump in payment volume on Thursday over last Thanksgiving's numbers. But the news isn't all good for eBay. Stifel Nicolaus downgraded it to hold on concerns about PayPal and its stock valuation. We're likely to get a clearer picture of holiday sales on Thursday when retailers release their November results.
The world's biggest retailer may see a lot of action on Wall Street today. Walmart made a firm offer to buy 51% of South Africa's Massmart stores for about $2 billion. Massmart's board recommended shareholders accept the revised offer. Walmart previously tried to buy the whole company. The proposed deal sparked concerns among South African unions, but Walmart says it will respect any existing union contracts. In other M&A news, BP is selling its 60% interest in Pan American Energy for $7 billion. The buyer is a joint venture between Argentina's Bridas Energy Holdings and CNOOC, China's largest offshore oil and gas producer.
A few analyst actions to tell you about this morning. Credit Suisse raised FedEx to outperform, prompting a 1% rise in that stock ahead of the opening bell. American Eagle Outfitters is gaining 2% in the pre-market, following an upgrade by Janney Montgomery. And the agriculture industry is likely to be in focus today. Morgan Stanley is bullish on the sector, including giants Archer Daniels Midland, Potash, and Monsanto. Deere & Company is also set for a pop at the open, following an upgrade by Wells Fargo.
A couple other likely winners this morning. Akamai Technologies was raised to buy by Lazard Capital, and Macquarie boosted its rating on Tesoro to outperform. The energy stock is up 2% in the pre-market. But Goodyear Tire is losing ground after a downgrade by North Coast Research, and shares of Boeing may take a hit as well today. JP Morgan cut its 2011 profit forecast for the aircraft manufacturer thanks to continued delays in its new 787 Dreamliner program. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.